When renovating a bathroom, it is very important to choose quality bathroom cabinet at the right price. A good bathroom cabinet not only provides ample storage space, but also adds to the overall aesthetics of the bathroom. With many different bathroom cabinets, how do you choose one that is both high quality and economical? Here are some suggestions to help you choose a good bathroom cabinet.
系列
First and foremost,
哑光白微晶石
quality
一体
is
成型
crucial
台
for a
盆，
bathroom
台
cabinet.
面尺寸1.2米
A，bathroom is a humid
光滑
environment,
洁白的婴儿肌肤触
and
感，
cabinets endure long periods
45
of
度弧面设
exposure.
计，
And used
下
in
水
daily
丝滑
use,
更强劲，
it is
木
very
质圆边
important
按
to
拉手，
choose
让手感
bathroom
更加
cabinet
舒适，
that is of reliable quality.
使
You
整
can
个柜
refer
体
to
浑
other
然天成。
people's
产品
experience
的使用核心
and reviews
归根
to
彻
know
底在我们
quality
生活
and
储物中。
durability. Next, consider the design
沉稳的烟熏
function.
木纹，点缀绿意盎然其间。 封闭式和敞开式的收纳桶体，极窄的镜子边线设计，柔和的60度四圆角，12毫米一圈向前打灯的可变色位，永不哀结的绽放，超越平凡的光彩。
Such as whether it need to come with mirror, drawers or other special features. These features will directly affect the price of the cabinets. It is important to make a reasonable trade based on your needs and budget. Finally, price is also an important factor in choosing the right bathroom cabinets. You can choose according to your budget. Watch out for underpriced bathroom cabinet, as they may have quality issues. Be sure that you choose a quality bathroom cabinet that is reliable at a reasonable price. There are several factors to consider when choosing a quality bathroom cabinet. Follow us and get more details.